In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font size of reports in QuickBooks Desktop. So to do this, first you want to go up top here and click on Edit, and then you want to click on Preferences. Now there's a bunch of things. You want to scroll down a bit and click on Reports and Graphs. Then when you do so, you want to click on Company Preferences, and then you want to click on Format over here. When you do that, you want to then go to Fonts and Numbers up top, and then finally here you want to click on Change Font. When you do so, you'll be able to of course change the font and font style, and what we're looking for is over here. This is the size. So this is the font size of our reports. You can just go ahead and change this to whatever. Default for me was 8. I could go like 20 for example, and you can see the sample over here, and then you can just click on OK, and then here you can basically click on Yes, and you're good to go. So whenever you click OK, the next time your font are going to be bigger in size. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.